stampede broke out at Sangam during the Mahakumbh on the night of Mauni Amavasya, and once again it has drawn attention to the recurring tragedies that have plagued the mega religious gathering. The incident occurred at around 1:30 am and left several people injured. Following the stampede, all 13 akhadas cancelled their Amrit Snan of Mauni Amavasya, citing overcrowding at Sangam. Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Uttar Pradesh CM Yogi Adityanath discussed the matter with officials, indicating that rumours sparked the chaos, causing women to fall and people to trample them. However, this unfortunate event is not the first in the history of Kumbh Melas, where stampedes have claimed lives and caused widespread panic. Here's a look at the most devastating incidents in the history of Mahakumbh. 1954 Kumbh Mela Prayagraj. One of the deadliest stampedes occurred on February 3, 1954 during the Mauni Amavasya at the Prayagraj Kumbh. More than 800 people lost their lives and over 2,000 were injured. The gathering exceeded 50 lakh people, making it one of the most crowded and tragic incidents in Kumbh history. 1986 Kumbh Mela, Haridwar. On April 14, 1986, around 200 people died in a stampede during the Kumbh in Haridwar. Notably, many ministers and MPs, including the then CM of UP, Veer Bahadur Singh, had reached for bathing, and this was considered the reason for the accident. 2003 Nashik Kumbh Mela. A tragic incident occurred at the 2003 Nashik Simhastha Kumbh during the Royal Bath, where 39 devotees were killed. The chaos began when some saints allegedly looted silver coins, triggering a violent clash among devotees that led to a stampede. 2013 Kumbh Mela, Prayagraj. On Mauni Amavasya in 2013, a stampede occurred at Prayagraj railway station, resulting in more than 3 dozen deaths. Despite preparations for a large crowd, the overwhelming number of devotees far surpassed expectations, leading to a breakdown in crowd management and tragic loss of life. Therefore, these stampedes highlight the severe challenges of managing massive crowds during Mahakumbh, where millions of devotees gather.